Hello, my dear students. Welcome you all to Sri Jain Rank Zone classes. I'm your mentor and your friend for the subject chemistry, and I will be dealing with organic chemistry. My dear students, today I'm going to start with alcohol, phenol, and ethers, and we are going to discuss today some commercially important compounds belonging to this category, that is alcohol, phenols, and ethers. So, when we talk about the economic importance, as we all know, that alcohols, they are very good solvents. They are very good solvents. There are two important compounds we need to discuss. One is the properties of methanol and the properties of ethanol. So methanol, the chemical formula is CH3OH. It is also known as wood spirit, also known as wood spirit. It is produced by the destructive distillation of wood, produced by destructive distillation of wood. Nowadays, most of the methanol is produced by catalytic hydrogenation. Methanol is produced by catalytic hydrogenation of carbon monoxide. At high pressure. The reaction basically involves the formation of syngas first. This syngas is further reacted in the presence of, or heated in the presence of, a catalyst of zinc oxide and chromium oxide, CO plus H2, ZNO, pressure is 200 to 300 atm, and temperature is 573 to 673 Kelvin. Now it is converted into methanol. Methanol, it is a colorless liquid with boiling point 337 Kelvin, right? It is a colorless liquid with a boiling point 337 Kelvin. It is highly toxic in nature. Now, what will happen if methanol is intoxicated? Understood? If methanol is taken in small quantities, it causes optical blindness, causes optical blindness, in large quantities causes death. Okay? Methanol is used as a solvent in making paints, varnishes, and most importantly, it is also used to make it is oxidized to make formaldehyde. Understood? Methanol should not be used as drinking alcohol. Okay, when it is not used as drinking alcohol, but many of you know many of the beverage makers, they use this compound, okay, to make their beverage cost at low side, and that is why it causes so much of disasters. So please remember this, that when we talk about the alcohols, methanol is not used for, or it is basically not meant for drinking purposes. Understood? Is it clear? Next, methanol is nowadays, it is used to make, as you know, that isopropyl alcohol, methanol, they are very important ingredients of sanitizers. Okay, liquid based sanitizers or gel based sanitizers. Okay, so please make it a point. It is used to make rectified spirit sanitizers. Normally, 70% of isopropyl alcohol is used for disinfection. Okay, 70% of isopropyl alcohol is used for disinfection. Understood? Now, coming to next, ethanol. So basically, we got to know that methanol, it is not used for drinking alcohol. In the formation of rectified spirit, we basically use ethanol, but many of the manufacturers they add methanol as an additive, right? So please make a second note over here. For making rectified spirit, ethyl alcohol around 95.87% and water 4.13%. They are mainly used. Okay, so now next is grain alcohol or ethanol. It is called grain alcohol and it is used in the preparation of various beverages by using different percentages. Used to make beverages. Ethyl alcohol containing used to make methylated spirit or denatured alcohol. Spirit or it is basically an ethyl alcohol containing 5 to 10% of methyl alcohol. When ethyl alcohol is blended with 5 to 10% of methanol or methyl alcohol, okay, it is called methylated spirit. It is unfit for drinking purposes. Unfit for drinking purposes. Okay, denaturing can also be done denaturation of alcohol can also be done by adding 0.5% of pyridine, petroleum naphtha, rubber distillate, or copper sulfate. Okay. Then there is a word absolute alcohol. Absolute alcohol is 100% ethanol, and it is prepared by azeotropic distillation. Okay. Power alcohol. It is basically a mixture of 80% petrol and 20% absolute alcohol. Okay. With a co-solvent benzene. Sorry. Pyroligneous acid. It contains acetic acid, methyl alcohol, and acetone. Tincture of iodine is 2 to 3% alcoholic solution of iodine, you know. Okay. Phenol is known as carbolic acid. Glycerol is used to make some explosive. Like glycerol trinitrate. Okay. Ethanol is basically produced by the fermentation of sugars. Fermentation of sugars. Okay. The process is molasses of sugarcane of fruits. Just grapes is converted into glucose and fructose. Okay. The enzyme used is invertase, enzymase. Invertase basically convert the sucrose into glucose and fructose. Enzymase convert glucose or fructose into alcohol. Basically, in wine making, grapes are the source of sugars and yeast. In making of wine, grapes and yeast are the source of sugars. Okay. Yeast can maximally through natural fermentation produce 14% of alcohol. Okay, and after that yeast dies. Gets auto intoxicate. Okay, fermentation, as you know, it is an anaerobic process. Okay, so during fermentation of air into fermentation process by zymase, then it is converted into carboxylic acid. Okay, ethanol C2H5OH. It is a colorless liquid with boiling point 351 Kelvin. It is also used as a paint in industries. Okay, denaturation of alcohol or denatured alcohol, as I have already told you, is not fit for drinking purposes. It contains alcohol plus either methyl alcohol can be there or copper sulfate for color. That is why the Sprit for hand sanitization what we use, it is having blue color. Okay, and pyridine for its foul smelling. Okay, nowadays alcohols are prepared by the process of hydration of ethene. Okay, so my dear student, this is about the economic importance of alcohols, phenols, and ethers. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy.